In this video, we're going to be checking out the best camping stoves under $100 that you can buy today. Camp stoves have come a long way over the years, from the clunky and sometimes unreliable heat sources. They once were to the full-featured stoves of today with robust flames, consistent heat, and an array of settings and options. In fact, there are so many options and choices today with camp stoves that it can be hard to know which ones are best and which one is right for you. So, if you're looking for the best camping stove under $100, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Coleman Gas Camping Stove. This Coleman Classic is a simple, functional stove available at a very reasonable price. It didn't blow us away in any one category, but it did perform steadily and predictably, an essential trait for any piece of camping gear. Despite getting tossed in and out of our cars repeatedly, it continued to work perfectly. It boils water fast, blocks the wind, and simmers sauces admirably. On top of that, it's simple to set up, lightweight, and packs down to a compact size. We also love the adjustable windscreens, which allow you to widen the cooking surface a bit to accommodate a larger pan. On a single 16-ounce tank of propane, this stove can cook with both burners on high for roughly an hour. The Coleman does not have a piezo igniter, so you'll need to bring a lighter. The pros are, it has good flame control, it's good for emergency preparedness, and it works well in extreme environments. However, it takes additional effort to get started as there is no automatic ignition, and the cooking area is smaller than the competition. All in all, this is a great no-frills option for the budget shopper. In at number 4 is the Chef Master 90,235 butane countertop range. This is a great affordable countertop stove designed with a piezoelectric ignition. This makes the stove super easy to start and easy to adjust the heat output. There's no need for a lighter as the burner ignites automatically, which is handy when camping. This stove is designed to output up to 12,000 BTU. The heat can easily be controlled by a dial next to the piezoelectric ignition button. It's powerful enough to cook anything that you may need on a camping or backpacking trip. It has a hard shell carrying case, so it's extra portable. It has all the essential safety features. It comes with an inline regulator with pressure sensing shutoff. If the pressure gets too high, the regulator will shut off the flow to prevent dangerous flashbacks. The butane burner has a wind guard to protect the flame from windy conditions. The pros are, it's affordable, it's compact, and it's easy to use. However, it's small and slow to heat food and water. If you're looking for a budget camping stove, then this is a great option, as long as you are only boiling a kettle and cooking one-pot meals. This is why it comes in at number 4. The third product on our list is the Coleman Triton Gas Camping Stove. The small size and weight of the Triton stove makes for easy storage and carrying. It sits flush on any flat surface, the propane attachment screws in securely, and the wind guards slide into place with ease, giving us confidence in its stability. The Triton stove can comfortably hold a 12-inch pan and 10-inch next to each other, and its frame will support a fair amount of weight. As long as you have a flat surface, this stove is solid. Full blast is the default on this stove. The temperature dials are sensitive at the lower end, which means simmering takes a little finesse, but it's definitely possible. Opening up the stove and putting it together was easy. You do have to provide your own spark, so make sure to bring a lighter. On average, it took around 4 minutes to get a couple cups of water to boil, but on windy days that was sometimes doubled. The pros are, it's a solid performer across many metrics. It has a good packed size, and it's reliable. However, it has a slower boiling time, and it struggles with wind resistance. This stove is a hardy piece of equipment that is capable of cooking a damn good meal and will be a great centerpiece in your car camping outdoor kitchen. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Cuisinart CGG 340 Chef-Style Roll-Away Portable Gas Grill. This grill has a built-in stand that elevates it to a comfortable cooking level. You'll be able to more easily grill on the go or simply free up space at home when it is not in use. Despite wielding a space-saving design, Cuisinart's new foldable grill manages to pack 20,000 BTU of cooking power. Heat is distributed via 2 stainless steel burners that are ready to sear meat and vegetables. This unit is powered by propane, so you'll need to carry a tank when traveling. Underneath the grill, you'll find a stand that can conveniently lift the cooking surface up to your height. Integrated springs aim to make this a near-effortless task. There is also the added benefit from 2 stainless steel tables on either side that should come in handy each and every time you grill a meal. The pros are, it has a matchless ignition. It's very durable. It is convertible to RV propane if you need it, and it's dishwasher safe. However, it's not safe for kids or pets to get around because it gets so hot, and the grill has no built-in thermometer. This foldable grill boasts a clean and premium design that can collapse to take up a lot less space when not in use. It's easy to use and grills food really well, but some users noted that the latch that secures the lid might melt during high-temperature use. The best camping stove under $100 is the Coleman Fold N Go. This foldable camping stove by Coleman is a great compact stove. Made of alloy steel, it's really durable and can take the inevitable knocks that come with camping. Its power source is AC or DC and can also run on LPG, and it weighs approximately 8.5 pounds and folds up to be compact. The full-size cooking surface easily fits 2 10-inch pans, so you can prepare different dishes at the same time. You don't even need a match to light this compact campsite kitchen. Just hit the Install Start push button ignition and dial in your heat with the 2 independently adjustable 10,000 BTU burners. The perfect flow technology will keep the heat steady, and you'll use less fuel thanks to the perfect heat technology. When you're done, the removable chrome-plated grates make cleaning quick and easy. The stove comes with pressure control technology and delivers a consistent flame. The pros are, it's easy to use. It has a solid construction. The foldable design makes it compact, and it fits 2 10-inch pans. However, the grates are a bit too tall, and it's a bit heavy compared to other stoves. Cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a stove that folds up smaller than a briefcase with the lightweight Fold N Go propane stove. And the best part is that it's under $100. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.